What is an algorithm?
An algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions used to solve a problem or perform a task.
Why are algorithms important in coding?
The algorithms are at the heart of every software program. They allow computers to process information, automate repetitive tasks, and solve problems efficiently. Well-designed algorithms make software faster, more reliable, and easier to use.
Everyday examples of algorithms.
Algorithms aren't just for programmers. Everyone uses them. For example, following a recipe to bake a cake, sorting books by author, or following step-by-step directions on a map are all algorithms. In technology, algorithms sort your emails, recommend videos, or help find search results online.
Key parts of an algorithm.
Every algorithm has a starting point, a series of steps, and an end result. These steps must be clear and precise so that a computer, or even a human, can follow them without confusion. Good algorithms avoid unnecessary steps and handle unexpected situations gracefully.
Algorithms in computer programming.
In programming, algorithms are written in coding languages like Python, Java, or C++. Programmers design algorithms to solve specific problems, then translate those solutions into code. Learning about algorithms helps beginners understand how programs work and how to build their own software projects.